Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've been doing a series about how to use Microsoft Excel to do your various tasks. So today I'm showing you how to use it to do like a report card. I already typed in most of the data, like the students' names, attribute to those who have watched Vampire Diaries. And let's say the course units you do, like some of us in public health, biochemistry, computer, microbiology. So usually when you get a report card, it has the total, the average, the position, and the comment. So you can do this manually, but then it would take you quite a while. So I want to show you how we use Microsoft Excel to get this done in the shortest time possible. So for the total, we'll use the sum function to get the total in the quickest way possible. So you'd select the cell, let's say this, and then add a colon, and then select the next cell. And then as you can see, the different cells have been included in like as a reference. So you see, we've already gotten the total, and then all you have to do is drag or double click, whichever is easier for you, and we have the total of all the students' marks. Then the average would literally also do the same thing, but with the average function, as you can see. So you add the cell reference till of this, and then add a colon, and then the mark, which gives you the average of each student's marks, which we do have right now. So now we get to position, your ranking in the class, or in this case is people's class. So it would be a bit different and a bit more complicated than the previous two have been, because now this involves fixing the cells. It's like a fixed function. So you'd begin with, would use a function we call rank. So rank, we'll begin with typing it out in here. So it'd be like rank, which is the, and then we'll do the same thing but quite a bit different. We'll select the cell, that's the cell reference you're going to use. For example, you could use the average to rank the students, so you could use the total. So in this case, let me use the average. So you use the average, then you put a comma and then fix it. We fix it using a dollar sign. So do that G3, colon, then we fix this as well, the last one, the last mark in the average, which would be in G8. So we'll fix that as well. And then comma, then we can decide to put it like, as you can see here on the screen, if you put a 0, they will rank according to descending order. That is, the one who has the highest mark would get the positions that are the lowest. So like number 1, it's the highest mark would get number 1, or you can rank it in ascending order, in that one with the lowest marks get number 1. So I'm going to use descending order because that's how usually we are ranked, in that the one with the highest marks get to be number 1. So that is basically what the, hold on a little bit. So this is basically what the function looks like, and it's displayed in the formula bar. So as you can see now, all my students here have been ranked. In this case, Stephen Salvat would be the first, and then the last would be like Elena Gilbert. So then comment is what, now we use something called the if function right here. The if function would put, it gives you conditions in a way to write it out. Let's say if I want people who have above 70, I would like to comment on their report card excellent. Then let's say people who have 50 to be, let's say, do better. This is where those comments can be set to be put. So I'm going to show you how that's done as well. So we'll put equals if that's if you're doing multiple. The logical test in this case, which would be, I'm going to use average to comment. So let's say if, let's say this cell reference G3 is greater than let's say 70, the student is excellent. So when we're using Excel, we have to put text into quotation marks because it does not understand text like that as a fun. So we have to put it into quotation marks. So as you can see, let's say excellent. Comma, then another logical test, let's say the same cell, if greater than let's say 50, you can say you put the quotation marks still, and we put, let's say, good, comma, then let's say same cell if less than, let's say less than 50, comma, another condition if that's true would be, let's say, do better. And then you put another in the bracket at the end of it, and then the function is done. So you see, if you drag, it will apply to every other cell. For those who have an average less than 50, it will show do better, and for those who have an average greater than 70 will show excellent. Those who have an average greater than 50, it shows good, which is 50 but less than 70. So this is basically how it works, and a simple rundown in that. So thank you so much for watching. Come back, I hope you learned something. Come back again next time. Bye.